In this video help, I'm going to be covering the list view for the property management screen. Let's go ahead and go there using the drop down. Go ahead and click over and then put in a click on the property management list view screen. Although list view screens are similar, they have different information and they have different attributes about those particular screens. In this particular case, the listing of the two properties that are currently in these sample records that were added by me. You have the information for the property ID, the property address itself, the city, state, province, and also the unit or apartment ID. If you're looking for that particular property and you want to go view that record, you would click on Show This Record, and that would take you back into that record on the application. And then you can also use this particular field area over here to see those records. And like I showed you prior, if you click on the record, it will change to whatever record you click on that was from the select area. It's that simple. This is a pretty straightforward list view, but there are other list views that have additional information on them, or they can be used in a find in order to make or look up certain things. In this particular case also, if you see an underline, or when you put your cursor up here, you see the little hand or if you're in the iPad and you want to sort the fields, you can click on the thing where you see the hand in the case of the desktop, and if you click on it, it should change the screen. Now, since everything in these two records are already preset and I want to change them, changing the city is not going to make any difference, or property. In this case, oh, there it did. It made the difference. It said that this one was newer or shorter as far as the number is concerned. It's less than the 900, so it sorted the record. So if you're looking for particular information or sorting these fields within a certain fashion, you can go ahead and click on the header at the top in order to reorder all the fields in that screen. If you have other things you want to do, for example, to do a find, you can do a start in the find and find a particular record by either the address, the ID, or you can say I want to see all the things, for example, in San Antonio, and there may be other cities in there, or a certain state, if that's the case. If you have properties in multiple states, you can do that as well. And then when you get done with the find, make sure that you click the Show All Records. If you enter a list view and you see that there are fewer records than there are actual property, come over to the Do Action and click the Show All to bring all the current records back into the selection. And as you can see over here, obviously this is the video you're currently watching, where you click on here to show the video help for the list view. There also is an additional ability here. If you're highlighting a row and you say you want to omit a record from a list of records, maybe you have a smaller list that you've done a find on, and you choose to pull one of those or more of those records out, you can click on Omit This Record. Then to reverse it, you can actually click Omit the multiple and click several of these out, or you can show only the omitted records. When I say show all omitted records, those are the ones you clicked on and said omit, and then you can bring back those and view them. So it just gives you a little ability to do different things as far as managing the information on the different list views. Click off the thing to drop and hide that particular listing. And now, if you have questions about how to use this, you can always contact me on the support site and use the chat or contact me by email. Thank you.